How to book round trip in Uber. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a round trip in Uber, a great feature if you need to go to a destination and return to your starting point. First, open up the Uber app on your phone. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the Apple Store or Google Play. Once you're in, you'll see the main screen where you can usually enter your ride details. Now start by setting up your pickup location. You can either manually enter the address or use the map to select where you want to be picked up. Next, enter your destination. This could be a business, a friend's house, or any place you're headed to. At this point, if Uber is offering the round trip feature in your area, you'll see a round trip button. Tap on it to enable it. Now this is where you set your return journey. You'll specify the time you want to return or just wait until you're ready. You can either choose an immediate return or set a time for the return trip. This is useful if you need to schedule your trip back later. And next, you need to choose your type of your ride, whether it's Uber X for a standard car or Uber XL for a larger vehicle. Once everything looks good, double check your round trip details, the pickup location, destination, and return time. Make sure everything is correct. Finally, hit the confirm or request Uber, and that's it. That's how you book a round trip Uber